Hey guys, Lucas here, Vintage Surplus, and today we're going to talk about maps. This kind of map. Alright, so we got here is an Eagle Modular Assault Pack, so map, from Eagle Industries. These have been around for a long time. You've probably seen them if you looked at any sort of picture from the GWAT or anything, and you'd see a lot of variations from that time of what people have done on their own, kind of taking their own take on the map backpack. But yeah, this is pretty much the OG. So biggest thing about this to start off with is it mounts to the back of your body armor or kit, whatever you're wearing. It does not have shoulder straps. Yeah, you could rig shoulder straps to this, but as it is made to be MOLLE mounted on the back of your kit. So take that as your first consideration when looking at this is, do you want this on your kit 24/7? It's also made for the older style body armor. It's a little bigger. So your modern plate carrier, it might be a little longer than that is. So take that in consideration. It's not a huge issue, but make sure you think about that. So now let's go over this. From the front, it's a standard backpack, about as big as a hydration carrier. It can fit 100-ounce hydration bladder actually. So take that as a good base for how big this is. On the front, you got a good GP kind of pouch up here, that's zipper closure. So you can carry whatever you need in there, nods, an IFAK worth of stuff, anything miscellaneous you need just kind of set aside and stored. You got 2 compression straps with buckles, so you can put a lot in here and then cinch it down real good, or put something underneath the compression straps. You got a big old hook and loop panel for ID patches, whatever need be. And then you have your main compartment. And inside your main compartment, it's open with just a sleeve for your hydration bladder. So nothing too special in here, nothing crazy going on. And you also have a sleeve right here that's hook and loop that you can put whatever you need to be in there. And you have 3 options for routing hydration bladder hoses out, antennas, cables, whatever need be. So pretty multifunction. It's a good thing to add to like any kit that you're going to be wearing standalone for a long period of time. You don't have the option to really carry a backpack, or just don't want to carry a backpack. This is a good way to go with that. Hey guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Map backpacks are definitely a pretty cool addition to any kit. They're kind of, not single use only, but they have their uses and uses that they're not used for, kind of thing. But head on over to vintagesurplus.com, make sure to grab one, and let us know what you think.